thanks for being here today with the Computer Workshop at the Team Member Spotlight. I'm Terry Williams-Davey, and this is Joe Barnhart.
Hey.
How you doing today, Joe?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. It's good to have you in-house. So, how long have you been with TCW?
So, I've been here a little over 5 months now.
5 months, okay.
Yeah.
It seems like 5 years.
It does, yeah, which is great.
So what's your role and responsibilities here at the Computer Workshop?
So I'm an IT education specialist. I basically help from start to finish with all of our students to plan out their path and their career goals that they need in training and make sure that they get everything they need. And also recommend what's next.
Well, that's a pretty big responsibility.
It sure is.
So what makes you a proud member of TCW?
Well, there's a lot to choose from, but if I had to label just down to one, I would say knowing the impact that I have on somebody's financial and mental well-being.
Very rewarding, right?
It is very rewarding, yes.
Yeah, that is so cool. So I know what you do here now. We all know what you do here, but what do you do on your time off?
So me and my wife, we own a camper, and we go camping every weekend at a set spot that we have. I bowl a couple nights a week, and I love the outdoors, hunting and fishing.
Wow, when do you have time to work, Joe?
I squeeze it in there. Yeah, I do.
That sounds like a lot of fun. So what do you do on this camping biz?
So we go to our local campgrounds that we have, you know, and we just hang out with friends and family. We go boating, play cornhole, you name it, have fires. I'm pretty much the chef.
Okay, so, all right. What's your
Yeah.
favorite thing to cook?
When I have everybody over, it's really fun to do hibachi.
Okay.
Especially when we're camping, a lot of people, I mean, I would say we're more of glampers.
It sounds like it more and more.
Yeah.
I don't see you hiking through the woods with the backpack.
No, not anytime soon.
Okay,
So.
gotcha. Got an air conditioner in that camper?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Tell us something that most people wouldn't know about you.
So a lot of people don't realize that I'm actually a professional mall walker.
No.
No, I'm really not. I mean, besides bowling right and left-handed,
That's
I
cool.
can. Yeah, I'm ambidextrous that way, and I can shake my eyes really fast if I stare into something. And kind of a nonsense talent, but it's there.
Yeah. So now you talked about this bowling again, and I've heard a little bit about this. So I understand that like there might be a 300 game here and there in your career.
Yeah. So I'm on number 14.
Okay.
Always looking to improve that. So, yeah.
That's impressive.
Yeah. Thank you.
What's one of your favorite quotes?
So one of my favorite quotes comes from a little bit of an older movie. It's called The Big Lebowski, and it's The Dude Abides.
Okay, and maybe tell me what that means?
Sure, yeah. So The Dude Abides.
I'm slow.
Yeah, it basically means, you know, you just go with the flow, you know, accept what the world's given you, and just be happy about it.
Don't get
You know,
too upset
Yep.
about anything, right?
That's right.
Good words to live by.
Yeah.
And if you had a message for our audience today, what would that be?
Basically, I would say, don't be afraid. You know, try new things. With us and our training, if I would have known how much we get to help people and impact people's lives on a daily basis with their promotions at work and everything else, I would have been doing this years ago. You know, but just don't be afraid to call us and schedule some training for yourself. It'll be worth it. Yes.
Well, thank you, Joe, for being here today. I certainly enjoyed having you here with me, and
I enjoyed being here. Yeah.
Oh, great! And I'm sure the audience enjoyed time too. If you did, like and share below. If you want to learn more about the Computer Workshop classes, go to our website at www.tcworkshop.com.
And smash that bell.